Good afternoon, it's Rachel here, and I'm very pleased to say that I finally finished these kits for Christmas. It took a while, but I'm here. So I've got a 12-page journal page kit. I want to say 12 pages. And then I've got a couple of other things, and they are listed in my shop, and I'll have the links below. So this is like I think I did 3 collage pages, but they can also go in as a journal page. And I did a mix of colors. I did mostly green and red because I love that, but I did pop in a bit of blue here and there. So this is one. I'll just quickly go through them. I'm really pleased with them, and I can't wait to get cracking with Christmas. So there's that one. This one here. This is a collage page. Then I have this one in blues, another collage page. And like some elements I own, like I have that trim there, and I have this, and then that's some of my older pages. And then other things are from the public domain. And then this is one. This is actually, this is my town where I live. It's near my house. That's the church. That's the church where you hear the bells. And that was in 2012 with the big snow. And I just thought that was nice to include in there. And then this one, that's the trim that my aunt gave me. I just love that trim there. And this one. I'll go quiet now. I don't know what I've got to say about them, but I just love them, and I can't wait to use them, just to give you an idea of what they can look like. I use some new elements from the Graphics Fairy as well. This one. And then this one here. I was just trying to think. Yeah. So they're the journal pages. And then I did some frames. So these, I've just printed them on regular. I should have 4 pages. Where are the other pages? Oh, they're on the printer. Just a second, guys. I had left them on the printer. So these are the frames that you cut out, and you cut that out, and you can put vellum or tracing paper or leave it open. And then it can be a window pocket on a journal card or on a journal page. So there are 4 pages, so 16 different frames. You'll get the PDF, and then you'll also get the JPEG. I prefer to print from the JPEG because I feel like it's always a slightly better quality than PDF, because PDF is more condensed. And then also I just want to show you, so this is printing full, 1 full page, but you can also often select in your printer, or you can reduce it, or you can select to print the full page but smaller. So like you can, and not fill out the whole page. And so this is what it looks like when you print them a bit smaller. It's a full page, but a smaller full page, if that makes sense. So just to give you an idea that you can resize them, I just did the PDF file with the 4 pages of the one size, but it's very easy to resize them, especially from the JPEGs, but I think you can resize with PDFs as well. So that's the frames. And then I've got, now let me not get confused, this is my Fussy cut kit. So I did a Fussy cut kit, and this time I did them all. I think I did more pages this time than the last time. I think last time my Fussy cut kit was 4 pages, and now it's 5 pages. So these are some of those beautiful super old 1700s, or I've seen them in an English shop. Sometimes they're 1700s, these ones, and sometimes they're early 1800s, but yeah, very old trims that I have. And these are some of my embroideries, and I also have that. These are actually all things, maybe not that one, all things that I own. So all of my own bits of ephemera. I put the little border around. I know it's no good for the cry cut people, but the majority of us that don't have that machine, so I prefer to do it for those who don't have the machine. So that's page 1. And of course, then again, you can, this is like 1 page, a JPEG page, and then there'll be the PDF. You can print the smaller size like this if you want the pieces to be smaller. This is another page. I have this. was in the box from the lady in Florence. And then these are some of my embroideries that I have, that I've cut up. And then I have that postcard, and then they're just from the public domain. And then, yeah, most of these things, except for that, and no, they're all mine. I don't have that. The rest are mine. So most of the on that page, I have the pieces there. And then this one, and some of these I did on a, you know, more of them just in different sizes, because I feel like these are kind of elements that I find I like to use a lot. So it's not, you know, I don't want to just put one, because you have to print out the whole page again just to get the one. So there's a few floating around in the kit. And then I love these too. All of these, I own all of those. That's from the lady in Florence as well. And I just love that little card. So that's the Fussy Cut kit. And then I've got an ephemera kit as well, because I had quite a lot of ephemera, Christmas ephemera, that I've been collecting. And some things I just digitally created. That's one of my 1700s beautiful old pieces of trim, poinsettia, and then just a few different things there. A bingo card that I have. I have this little cutout man, Giuseppe, I think it is, and baby Jesus. And then I had the plain card, and then I put a wreath behind it. And bird, I didn't put any border around the bird, because I'd already cleaned that one up for using in a kit. These are all my postcards. I absolutely love them. Love that one. And she is so cute. Really cute. Those, I've had those for a while. I have this envelope, and then I just lay it over the top, and that's one of my old documents, and I lay it over the top of that. That's one of my postcards and my trims. And then these are all pieces that I have, except for that there, that I created a little digital collage on that one. Now these are all different. I double checked, they are all different. I have 4 of them, so they're all different. And then in last year's kit, there were the ones that had the red background. And then there's, I love that, and that. I love it all. Anyway, I have that. There's another page, and so lots and lots of things to play with. I have that from an old book. That is very old. I would say that's early 1800s, that one, or late 1700s. I think early 1800s by feel of it. And then here on one of my documents I put some holly on there, and then these are all postcards and things that I have as well. So they are the new kits in my shop, and I think Steffi's going to be working on 2 more. I did all of these, and he's going to do 2 more for me, but we'll release those a bit further down the track. So there we go. So the links will be in the description box. I hope you enjoy them and you're getting ready for Christmas, and I can't wait to start playing around with them and my last year's kits, because I think they'll all work well together, and you can never have enough, can you? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.